In a bustling beehive, Barry the bee wasn't like the others. While his friends buzzed excitedly about collecting pollen, Barry dreamed of adventure beyond the hive's familiar honeycomb walls. One breezy afternoon, a gust of wind swept him out of the hive and into the unknown. Lost and scared, Barry stumbled upon a field of vibrant wildflowers, a sight far more beautiful than anything he'd ever seen. But danger lurked, too, a grumpy spider with a taste for bees. Barry, small and quick, outsmarted the spider using his knowledge of beehive architecture, weaving through the spider's web like the intricate tunnels he knew so well. Exhausted, but exhilarated, Barry found his way back to the hive, a changed bee. He shared his adventure, his newfound appreciation for their home, and the importance of venturing out to learn and grow. Though some bees remained cautious, Barry's bravery sparked a curiosity in others. Soon, a few brave bees joined him on short explorations, returning with tales of the wider world. The hive, once closed off, began to embrace the idea that adventure could bring valuable knowledge back home.